a bike I call the bmxduro bike. Super slack, super playful, super fun. This bike is pretty much stock. I've put a few upgrades on it, but other than that, this is a pretty sweet build. So let's start digging into the parts. So the frame, as I mentioned, it's a 2021 Marin San Quentin 2. It's size medium, fits just perfect. It's awesome. The drivetrain, it has the Shimano Hubs 11-speed with a 32-tooth chainring from, I don't know where it's from. It's Black Label. We got the Trans 6 dropper post with a Marin branded saddle, and then I put this saddlebag on there because this saddlebag is the one that fits with these droppers, because there's only one strap. So if you put it up, it's out of the way. Put it down, it's out of the way. What else? Oh, I put the new Shimano Hubs on there. This is the 2-piston. I got a really good deal on them. They stop great. They're awesome. The fork is the RockShox Recon Silver RL. I run it about 100 psi for jumps, enduro, just to be the greatest all-rounder it could be. Rebound, I don't even know where the rebound is. 180 discs, front and rear. 27.5 by 2.6 tires. The front tire is the V-Tires Flow Snap. The back tire, I upgraded the back tire, and the back tire is the Maxxis Minion SS 2.5. This tire is so sweet. It's got the DHF knobs on the side, and then a really slick knob pattern in the middle. I put some race-based pedals in there, tubeless pause kit, just Marin branded handlebars, GPS mount. I sanded these spacers down so they are silver and it looks really sweet. P&W loam grips. These grips are awesome. They fit my hands and don't give me blisters. Shimano Hubs. They're pretty good, especially for just basic hubs. Yeah, that's pretty much it.